It is castagne time! Oh yeah, chestnuts time! I'll show you how to cook them perfectly in the oven and how to get them easily, super easily out of the shell. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh my god, look how beautiful this one is. Oh, look at the color of this. Yeah. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn Italian recipes. Today we make chestnuts, castagna al forno, chestnuts in the oven, the way I grew up eating it. If you have never liked it, you are gonna love them, and if you really like them, you are gonna love them. Chestnuts, I wanna show you how simple it is to cook chestnuts and how simple it is to peel them and eat them, okay? The first thing that you really want to do, you want to buy some nice chestnuts, very nice, and then you want to cut it just there in the middle, so that way you create a hole. This cut is very, very important. If you don't do this cut, when you cook them, they will explode, okay? So you can use a large knife, and just go like this, okay? Just a little cut in there, not too big, in the middle, in there. You can use a steak knife if you want, or any other knife that you want, okay? Just there in the middle, just go like that, and that's how you do it, see? Don't cut it too deep, otherwise it will break in half. So just go in, just a little cut in there, just like this, it will be enough. What's gonna happen is if you cut it too much, let's say you cut it like this, when it cooks, it will open like this. It's still okay, but it's best if you don't open your chestnut all the way. Just a little bit. Just an incision here, okay? Just like that. Just be careful with your hands, just like that, be delicate. See, that's a good one. The reason why you're going to love them today is because the way I cook them, they are so easy to peel, and they will be tender and crunchy at the same time. So make sure you follow me step by step. Okay, all of them are done. Now we're going to cover every single one with water. So let's put plenty of water in there and we'll let it rest for about 20 minutes. The chestnuts are relaxing, soaking in the water, and now it's time for you to turn the oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Now for cooking, put baking paper on a tray, and this is where we are going to cook our chestnuts. After 20 minutes, get rid of the water, and what we do is we want to dry them a little bit. Just a little bit. Just do this. And what we do, we place them on the baking tray. Just like this, spread them evenly, just everywhere. Try to have the cut part on top because that part is going to open. So just try to do that if you can. Just be a little bit patient. Now in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And here we have our chestnuts. Look at that. After 30 minutes you can see the color. Actually you can see how they change. See, this is the one that I cut all the way, and look how it opened. See, that's what you want to avoid. But look how easy it comes off. Look at that. Look how easy it is to come off. That's what I want to show you now. I want to show it's very hot, so I need to be careful. Ooh. Let it cool down, of course, but look how easy it is to make it come off. And just because of the water trick. You put it in the water, and that's what happens. Look, very hot. Look at that. Look how easy. So easy, so simple, so delicious. 1, 2. Look, it's never been so easy, and it doesn't get, this, the little skin, it doesn't get stuck there, which is important to get this result. Because sometimes when you cook it, you get this part stuck on it, and you don't really want to eat this part. So look how beautiful it is when it comes off like that. It looks so pretty. Look. Oh, just need to open it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh my god, look how beautiful this one is. Oh, look at the color of this. Yeah. As you know, this is my favorite time of the video. Eating time. Let's have it. Crunchy, a little bit crunchy and moist on the inside, which is what I want when I actually eat chestnuts. Delicious, delicious, delicious. You just need a glass of red wine and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Ciao!